Namaste. Welcome to Yoga Nidra. Our experience is a reflection of the health of our nervous system. Yoga Nidra is designed to heal and restore balance to the nervous system. Begin by lying down. As you find a comfortable position, you can support the knees if there's any strain in the lower back. Now let the body rest. You can hear the sounds around you come and go. Sense the space around you. Let go of the past. Let go of the future. And rest here in this moment. Feel the contact of the back with the floor. Notice the sensations. Now, as you move your awareness inward, we'll start by taking 3 clearing breaths. Take a deep breath in through your nose, fill up your lungs. Then open up your mouth like you're fogging a mirror. Another deep breath in. Now see if you can make the same noise with the mouth closed. Inhale. Same noise. Now let go of the breath control. And just notice the sensation of the breath moving in and out. As the breath goes out, it carries with it any strain or tension. And as the breath comes in, you're filled with fresh energy and a sense of well-being. Notice the abdomen expands as you breathe in. And as you breathe out, release any emotional strain, tension, or fatigue. Feel each breath flowing smoothly into the next. Maintain awareness on the breath. Relax into the rhythm of the breath. Bring your awareness to the muscles in your face. Let the muscles in the face relax. Empty the tension in the jaw and in the tongue. Let the neck relax. And let the shoulders drop. Let go of the tension in the hands and the arms. Feel up and down your spine. The bones can drop. Let go of the tension in your hips and in your legs. Feel the thigh bones release. And with the body relaxed, breathe as if the whole body breathes. Now visualize at the third eye a blue star-like point of energy. As you relax into the breath, visualizing this blue star-like point of energy, we're going to shift now into a meditation on the first half of the 61 points of Yoga Nidra. As I ask you to bring your attention to each one of the points, visualize this blue star-like point of energy in this point. And as you relax, imagine the breath flows at each one of these points. So moving the awareness from the space between the eyebrows down to the throat. 2. Right shoulder. 3. Right elbow. 4. Right wrist. 5. Tip of the right thumb. 6. Tip of the index finger. 7. Tip of the middle finger. 8. Tip of the ring finger. 9. Tip of the small finger. 10. Right wrist. 11. Right elbow. 12. Right shoulder. 13. The throat. 14. Left shoulder. 15. Left elbow. 16. Left wrist. 17. Tip of the thumb. 18. Tip of the index finger. 19. Middle finger. 20. Ring finger. 21. Little finger. 22. Wrist. 23. Elbow. 24. Left shoulder. 25. Throat. 26. Now moving down into the heart center. 27. Tip of the right chest. 28. Heart center. 29. Tip of the left chest. 30. Heart center. 31. Now let the awareness travel back up into the space between the eyebrows. Feel light filling the whole body. Through regular practice, we'll begin to transcend the limitations of restricted thinking and negativity of a dull mind from strain and fatigue. As you scan the body, notice how you feel. Now take a slightly fuller, deeper breath in and out through your nose. Thank you for joining me for this practice. Namaste. And if you'd like to join me for a Yoga Nidra on the full 61 points, click the link in the description.